You might be in a bad relationship if the things that makes you happy always feel out of reach. You feel lonely even when you are not alone. Your voice doesn't matter. You are dismissed easily, ignored, or silenced. You are constantly drained, not energized to be together. And worst of all, you've started losing yourself, your joy, your peace, even your confidence. But here is the truth. This does not mean that is the end. There are ways to fix it. Now back to the first point. Your happiness always feels out of reach. You find yourself constantly fighting for small joys. Maybe time together, maybe simple affection, maybe even just peace. If you always feel that you are begging for the things that should come naturally in a healthy relationship, that is a red flag. So now how do we fix this? Don't just suppress it. Communicate very clearly. Instead of, you never make me happy, it can be like, what makes me feel love is. Then you state your point. That alone shifts the focus of blaming to building. Nobody feels attacked here. So now the second point, loneliness, even when you are together. There is nothing worse than sitting next to someone and feel completely alone. That emptiness is louder than silence. So how do we fix this one too? There are times we need to be intentional with what we do. We have to create connection intentionally. Oh yes, that might mean putting away some distractions, setting time to talk. It could even be asking very deep question again, like, when you first met me. Sometimes we forget that closeness is built, not automatic. The next point is when your voice doesn't matter, when your words are bruised aside, when you feel unheard, it chips away at your dignity. A healthy relationship listens even when it disagrees. So how do we fix this one? We need to create safe space talks. Oh yeah. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes where both agree. No interruptions, no phone calls, no judgment, just listening. You'll be surprised how healing it is to be heard. Oh yeah. A relationship should not be an endless storm. Yes, struggle happen, but if you are always exhausted, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, then something is off. So how do we fix this one too? Rebuild balance. This may mean setting boundaries, sharing responsibilities, or even seeking counseling. A very important subject which many don't pay attention to. A healthy bond fuels you. It doesn't deplete you. So we jump to the next point, losing yourself. That's the worst part, losing yourself. This is the deepest wound when you no longer recognize yourself. You stop pursuing passions. You silence your laughter. You shrink just to keep the peace. So how do we fix this one too? Reconnect with you. Reconnect with yourself. Journaling, spending time with friends, prayer, hobbies, anything that reminds you that you are more than this relationship. Because if you lose yourself, there's nothing left to give. So here is the truth. No relationship is perfect. But if you see these signs, don't ignore them. A healthy love doesn't silence you, drain you, or break you down. It builds you up. And one thing we need to remember is this. Fixing doesn't mean demanding perfection. It's about two people choosing to grow, to listen, and to heal together. If you are in this place right now, you need to know this. You are not alone. Healing is possible. Change is possible. And you deserve a love that brings peace. If today's video spoke to you, share your thoughts in the comment section because your story could be the encouragement someone needs today. My name is Frank D'Souza. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.